Hey everyone, welcome. Have you ever dreamed of making money not just when you're actively working, but around the clock? Imagine earning income while you're sleeping, traveling, or spending time with loved ones. That's the power of passive income. Unlike a traditional job where you trade your time directly for money, passive income is different. It's money you earn with minimal ongoing effort after you've put in the initial work. Think of it as building a system or creating an asset that continues to generate revenue over time. The appeal is huge, right? It offers the potential for greater financial freedom, giving you more control over your time and life. It provides flexibility, allowing you to pursue passions or simply enjoy more leisure. And it's a fantastic way to diversify your income, reducing reliance on a single source like your main job. Now, let's be clear about the word passive. It doesn't usually mean zero effort forever. Most passive income streams require a significant upfront investment. This could be a big chunk of capital, a lot of time spent creating something, or developing a specific skill set. Even after setting things up, some streams might need occasional maintenance or attention. But the key difference is that the income generated is not directly tied to your continuous, hour-by-hour labor. You're building assets that work for you. So, if you're an investor looking for new avenues, an entrepreneur seeking diversification, or a young adult starting to build your financial future, understanding passive income is crucial. It's about creating streams that flow whether you're at your desk or out living your life. Let's dive into 10 common ways people are building these income streams today. Each one has its own requirements and potential, but they all share that core principle, earning while you're not actively trading your time. First up, a classic, rental properties. This involves investing in real estate, like a house, apartment, or commercial building, and renting it out to tenants. Your income comes from the monthly rent payments collected. Of course, it's not just pure profit. You have expenses like mortgage payments, property taxes, insurance, and maintenance costs. You need significant capital to get started, either for a down payment or to buy outright. And managing tenants and property upkeep takes time. Many investors choose to hire a property manager to handle the day-to-day tasks. This adds to your expenses but makes the income stream much more passive. It's a tangible asset that can appreciate over time while also generating regular cash flow. Next, let's look at the stock market, specifically dividend stocks. When you own shares in certain companies, they may distribute a portion of their profits to shareholders. These payments are called dividends. By owning dividend-paying stocks, you receive regular income, often quarterly, without having to sell your shares. This requires capital to invest in the first place and a willingness to understand the stock market and research companies. Choosing stable companies with a history of paying and increasing dividends is key. While stock values can fluctuate, the dividend payments can provide a consistent income stream, reinvested or taken as cash. Moving on, we have peer-to-peer, or P2P, lending. This involves lending money directly to individuals or small businesses through online platforms that connect borrowers and lenders. Instead of a bank, you are the one providing the loan. You earn income from the interest that the borrowers pay on the loans. The platforms handle the loan servicing, collecting payments, and distributing the interest to you. This allows you to earn interest rates that can sometimes be higher than traditional savings accounts. However, it's important to understand the risk involved. There is a risk of default, meaning the borrower might not repay the loan. Diversifying your investments across many different loans on the platform is a common strategy to mitigate this risk. It requires capital to lend and careful assessment of the risks presented by each loan application. Now, let's shift to the digital world. Creating online courses or digital products is a popular passive income method. This involves developing valuable digital goods like video courses, ebooks, templates, software, music, or graphic assets. You put in significant upfront effort to create the high-quality content or product. Once it's created, you can sell it repeatedly online. The sales process can be highly automated through e-commerce platforms or course hosting sites. While you might need to update the product occasionally or provide customer support, the bulk of the work is done during the creation phase. Every sale after that initial effort contributes to your passive income. It leverages your knowledge or creative skills. Related to digital content is affiliate marketing. This is where you promote other companies' products or services to an audience you've built. When someone buys a product using your unique referral link, you earn a commission on that sale. This requires building an audience first, typically through a blog, social media, a podcast, or a YouTube channel. You need to create content that attracts people and builds trust. The income is passive in the sense that once the content is live and driving traffic, sales can happen at any time. However, it does require ongoing effort to maintain your audience and create new content to keep them engaged. Choosing products that genuinely benefit your audience and align with your content is crucial for success and maintaining trust. Starting a blog or website is another powerful way to build passive income. You create content around a specific topic or niche that attracts visitors. Once you have traffic, you can monetize it in several ways. This includes displaying advertisements, like through Google AdSense, where you earn money based on views or clicks. You can also incorporate affiliate marketing by recommending products within your content. Selling your own digital products or merchandise is another option. Building a successful blog or website requires consistent content creation initially to attract an audience and establish authority. Over time, older content can continue to draw traffic and generate income, making it increasingly passive. Similarly, creating a YouTube channel can become a significant passive income stream. You produce video content on topics you're knowledgeable or passionate about. As your channel grows and attracts viewers, you can join the YouTube Partner Program. This allows you to earn revenue from ads displayed on your videos. You can also earn through sponsorships from brands, selling your own merchandise, or receiving viewer donations. The key is creating engaging content that keeps people watching. Like blogging, it requires consistent video creation and audience engagement to build momentum. But once videos are published, they can continue to attract viewers and generate ad revenue for months or even years to come, creating that passive flow. For those with creative skills, selling stock photos or videos is a viable option. If you're a photographer or videographer, you can upload your high-quality work to stock media websites. These platforms license your work to individuals or businesses who need visuals for their projects. Each time someone licenses your photo or video, you earn a royalty. This requires building a portfolio of diverse and high-quality images or clips that are in demand. The effort is in capturing and editing the media and uploading it to various platforms. Once uploaded, your work can be licensed repeatedly, generating income passively over time without further action from you. It's a way to leverage your creative talent into an ongoing revenue stream. Another creative avenue is licensing music or art. If you are a musician, composer, or visual artist, you can license your original work for use in various media. This could include background music for films, TV shows, commercials, video games, or using your art in print or digital projects. You earn royalties each time your work is used or played. This requires significant creative talent to produce original work with commercial appeal. Networking and understanding the licensing process are also important. Once a licensing deal is in place, you can earn royalties over time as the project using your work is distributed or performed. It's a way for artists to earn income from their creations long after the initial piece is finished. Finally, we have royalties from creative works in a broader sense. This applies to authors, songwriters, inventors, and creators of intellectual property. If you write a book, compose a song, invent something patentable, or create other unique works, you can earn royalties. You earn money each time your book is sold, your song is played or sold, your patent is licensed, or your intellectual property is used commercially. The initial effort is in creating the original work and securing the necessary rights, like copyright or patent. Once the work is out in the world, sales or usage can generate income for years, sometimes even decades, depending on the type of work and the agreements in place. It's the epitome of creating something once and getting paid for it repeatedly. So, as you can see, building passive income streams is not about getting rich quick with no effort. It absolutely requires initial effort, whether that's a significant financial investment, a large time commitment to create something, or the dedication to build an audience or skill. The goal is long-term financial gain and building assets that work for you, rather than constantly trading your limited time for money. It's about creating systems that generate revenue in the background, freeing up your time and energy. Whether you're drawn to real estate, the stock market, digital creation, or leveraging your creative talents, there's a passive income path for almost everyone. It starts with education, planning, and taking that first step to build something that can eventually generate income while you sleep. Which path will you explore first?